Hi, I'm Nikki.
And I'm Jessica.
Welcome to Pronounce. Lesson 29. Okay, Jessica. Say this sound. Good. Well done. This is the sound. T. T. There are 2 steps to making this sound. The tongue up behind your teeth stops the air. The stopping, and then you let your tongue go. T. The releasing. T. T. So the 2 steps. Your tongue is up behind your teeth, stopping the air. The stopping, and then you let your tongue go. The releasing. Well done. Good. Is the sound on or off?
The sound is off.
Good. T. 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 And this is the sound T. T. Say this sound again. T. Okay. This time, say the sound voice on.
The.
Good. D. Voice on.
The.
When you say D, where is your tongue?
My tongue is still on where I sound.
Good. Your tongue is in the same place as T. D. T. Your tongue is up behind your teeth. T. D. Say this sound again, Jessica.
T.
Good. This sound?
The.
This sound?
T.
This sound?
The.
This sound?
T. The. T. The. T. The.
Good. Say this sound. And this sound? Again? Good. P, t, p, t. When you say those 2 sounds, what is the difference with your lips?
When I say T, my lips is touching together.
Good.
But when I say T, my lips is not touching together.
Good. When you say P, your lips are together. When you say T, your lips are not together. Your mouth is open. What about this sound and this sound?
But the. When I sound but, my lips is touching. But when I sound the, my lips are not touching.
Good. When you say B, your lips are together, and when you say D, your lips are not together. P, T. Those 2 sounds, are they voice on or voice off?
Those 2 sounds are voice off.
Good. P, T. Voice is off. And these 2 sounds?
But the voice is on.
Good. B, D. Voice is on. Well done, Jessica.